biceps, his chest are big, so we can kind of help open it up a bit, open his heart. Threw that one in, just
pause. This guy.
There was a little left jab.
Yeah. Over my heart. Hey guys, this is your boy Matty M. I'm getting my shoulders cleaned out with
Ninja. Get it done.
So I've been training a lot, been training lots of clients. Everything's very front of the shoulder based. So this guy is gonna go bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
In technical terms, you can probably explain it better.
Yeah. Bit more of a flush. That's technical for me, man. So you did really well.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, bang, bang.
Jump on. Aaron's treated all the technical things, and I feel like I haven't had much of the front of the shoulders done. So
just bulldoze it.
Technical terms, just bulldoze it.
I'm going to turn my back on the camera a bit, but that's all right. I can work it. So I'm just trying to get into that. What would you call this place in here? Like next to the is it a groove? Some sort of groove?
Some kind of groove.
Is there like in between that front delt and the pec?
Yeah,
just get in there a bit. There'd be a name for it. Aaron would know. Yeah. People out there would know as well, I'm sure, but
just the shoulder.
We just sort of know by feel.
And having my thumb out, like that's kind of...
Yeah, you can kind of get involved. Yeah. So just trying to pin some stuff here for a start, so that front delt, and then kind of roll onto that bicep tendon. So many people have problems in this area.
Don't wait. Book now.
Booking with Barnsey.
Yeah.
He'll fix you.
But just had a boxing session and using the shoulders, but using the shoulders differently, where because I do a lot of pull work and I don't know, I feel like pushing is actually really good for it.
Yeah. Balance you up.
Balance you up. Yeah. So, and that's something I usually go for, figuring out people's issue, because a lot of people might do a particular movement but not work on the other side, which is antagonistic training. And push work, not something I usually do. Been doing, bench press.
Bench.
Can see some good PBs, but
what's your PB?
We got 125 end of last year, which was nice.
Kilograms too, not pounds.
Yeah, not pounds.
125 pounds.
But I think it does help me when I got short arms, right? Like you think of Aaron, who's such a strong guy, lifting 222
his PB
for
was
deadlifts.
For deadlift, yeah.
Then for bench, mate, my sister can lift more than him. Or push more than him.
Yeah.
What's his bench, like?
75 or
maybe
maybe
which is
80.
crazy, because his arms are so long.
Yeah.
I guess that's where it helps. But I wouldn't mind some delt work, which is what we're doing now. I've been treating it myself sometimes, getting some good twitches here and there.
I'm just about to roll over that one. What I'm going to do, so kind of warm that up quite well. Come around and work it.
Oh yeah, spicy McGee.
So I'm trying to really get that out from where it's stuck. So just pinning and hold. Yeah, Matty's just doing little spins of his wrist, and that kind of exposes different little aspects of the tendons upstream.
Yeah.
Up here, so we can kind of really give it a good flush. So, and what you kind of notice here too, I'm kind of pushing the shoulder back so that head of the humerus back into the right spot. So you're kind of doing a bit of a mobilization type of thing as well, because like Matty's, pushed on chest dominant, so his biceps, his chest are big, so we can kind of help open it up a bit, open his heart. Threw that one in, just
pause. This guy.
There was a little left jab.
Yeah. Over my heart. It's closed.
Nah. He's open.
Yeah.
It's strong to be vulnerable, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's show of strength and courage. Yeah.
We love a good old vulnerable chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
Deary me.
It's good. It's human experience. It's not all just rainbows and lollipops, is it?
What happened to the video? This guy.
That's the intro.
This guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once a little bit the day started off with that, didn't it? It's like the pleasure and pain type of thing. The dopamine, chase pleasure, avoid pain. That's the human condition to survive. You know, that was the original one. Just try and find food and shelter and warmth and things like that, and avoid the getting eaten.
Yeah.
And chased and heat.
We all want to feel good.
Yeah.
So we all do these things. But you know, dopamine. And at the end of the day, we're all drug addicts, right? We all trying to do things that are going to make us feel better.
Yeah.
Some people go quite extreme and actually do drugs, but bad, yeah. Seeing Leo show his head. But yeah, coffee. Everyone has their morning coffee. That's their what do you call it?
Hit.
Their hit.
Yeah.
But it's too soon sometimes. You know, start the day without anything. Earn it.
We're saying earn it, isn't it?
Earn it.
Be hungry.
Yeah.
Be hungry. Earn it. Do something that's meaningful, helpful for society and for others.
Yeah.
And for you, not just yourself. You know. So there's lots of cheap dopamine around today's society. It's easy. We can all have a full belly really easily. You know. And but when you're hungry, you know, for success or for connection, all these different kind of things that are a lot more meaningful, or for nature, you know, relationship stuff. That's the stuff that you want to get dopamine from, isn't it? Meaningful.
Yeah.
Rather than spiking up and down, chasing, you need more and more.
Yeah.
So you need more and more scrolling, more and more food, whatever it might be. Yeah. I love the real stuff. Yeah.
I see the screens, the dating apps.
Yeah, you got to live in the real world. Maddie's the champion. They just go up and talk to people. Hey, yeah, it's big on it.
It's hard. Like it's scary to talk to girls in public. They're like a different breed. Of, like but yeah, you feel that reward when you do, and you're proud of yourself. Whereas if you had a dating app and it's just so easy just to say something and you didn't earn anything, you want a date, like you don't feel proud of yourself. So it's one of the things I
haven't worked for it.
Gotta work for it.
Not in real life anyway.
No, I like this stuff. I like talking about it.
It's good, isn't it?
It's great. It's good. It's
love
feeling
it.
alive. Online world like Facebook, the meta, it's all about data, and they're trying to treat everyone as data by noticing what they do and stuff. But at the end of the day, like data can't detect emotion, and we're all emotional creatures, and that's why I like the whole AI stuff. Not good. Stay away from all that crap.
Yeah. So I suppose it has got good applications, but then it's when abused and neglected and all these kind of things. We're abused, mostly we're talking about, aren't we? There's going to be consequences for that.
Shoulder treatment, which is opening the heart, which is us talking about
Dopamine.
And I like this. This is good. We're going to title this video, opening your heart treatment.
Open your heart. I reckon that'll get the views.
Something that I was thinking about as well with the dopamine stuff is with YouTube content, stuff that I would digest or watch is content of people who are having like fun or having good banter with each other.
Yep.
And I view it as good because I find it entertaining, but then it could also be me replacing something that I lack if I'm not having enough social connection with people in real life.
Yeah.
So it's creating like fake relationships with these people on the internet, and then it's not really fulfilling you.
Yeah.
So
not real experience, is it?
Nah.
You should be out there jumping off the cliff into the water.
That was taking a turn there.
And you do 8 meters.
Yeah. Doing stuff in real life.
Yeah.
It's called parasocial relationships, where you build relationships with people online.
Yeah, you feel like it's real.
Yeah. I guess if people are watching this because they're trying to, be entertained by us. It's like, sorry mate, we don't know you. You got to find some people to actually talk with. So, although this is good for YouTube, it gets us views and stuff. It's still sending a message, but also you should make the effort to find relationships in person in case you don't have that. Yeah, I guess that's just honest and authentic feedback or knowledge for you.
Yeah. But this can be training ground, can't it?
Yeah, but just
to be a listener.
Education and
be a listener.
Yep.
And I kind of think it's not all just shit, There is benefits as well, but when it's out of control, it's the chasing. If you're chasing these instant gratifications all the time, because you're kind of trying to top up your dopamine levels all the time, and you're trying to distract from yourself. You're not trying to you're not facing your own reflection in the mirror. You're going to face yourself, and then that's where the real growth is, and that's where the real satisfaction in life is facing things and
be worth it long term.
Yeah. How's this feeling?
It's actually really good. I've been quite sore on that right side from treating a lot. Most people when they treat, I think you get like wrist and thumb and wrist stuff. But for me, it's been shoulders because I guess I'm quite dominant with my treatments. Use my strength, which it's been a bit annoying because I feel like I've been treating so much, which is it's good, but I actually don't get treatment enough myself. So people always ask me when do you get treatment. I'm like, maybe like once a couple months. And it's hard to think about it or do it when you're at work in a way, even though it's our job.
We just get little top-ups here and there, don't we? Just little bits and pieces to film, and we don't actually dedicate an hour a lot of times.
No, definitely not.
Get the full.
Imagine getting an hour treatment. That's so rare. Never.
Crazy.
Yeah. Gotta practice what you preach, eh?
Yeah. Oh, I can feel when you turn.
Yeah, that's nice.
And engage onto that.
Open your heart.
Yeah, open your heart, Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah.
That's good. That's really nice. That's so good. I froth this. This is sick. Very good.
Very good. Come again.
Thank you. Come again. That actor for a period got cancelled. He got banned from doing an Indian accent.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. Bloody cancel culture.
Really?
Yeah. I think when you get a bit in the future, things get a bit. You can't say many things, so
everything's too sensitive.
Everyone's a bit sensitive out there. Can't take a joke. Oh my god, that's good. I said one thing on my YouTube, and then bang, all the comments were just mentioning it. I'm like, oh god, and then I just edited a part of it out.
Deleted it out.
Yeah, I was like, I can't be bothered. Trying to push the boundary sometimes, but then oops. I think I did a YouTube video once with Aaron, and I said something, and then I think Leo cut it out. It's like, I don't have a tongue to hold back sometimes. I'm a bit too honest.
Your filter's broken.
My filter is broken. Yeah. I think I'm just too authentic, Good quality. Oh, that's so good.
Feels good, huh?
That's your favourite line, eh?
Yeah.
It feels good, huh?
Thanks to Wim.
Sorry, I'm snoring.
Where do we want? You tell me where you want.
Oh, just honestly that, because I notice when if I'm using it a lot and then I put my thumb into it like there, it kind of like pops it back into place. Like it's, I think it's a bit. Oh, frick me.
Just there.
Yeah. Just that's the money.
All right, let's work it.
Work it. Rotation. That's one I do a lot on clients. I usually get the left one treated because the left one's usually injured. And maybe another reason why the right side's injured at the moment or sore because of overusing that side and not the left one enough.
One more of those, what do you reckon?
Yeah, one more and then we'll wrap up.
Sign off.
Oh, that is so spicy.
Just up in there.
Yeah. Yeah, if this was a Nando's spice level, I'd say it's probably medium spice right now. Which is a good metric, I'd say. Like,
yeah, medium spice.
we don't do lemon and herb around here. We go...
You've got chili, like the little chili icons
Yeah.
on the menu.
We hit our medium spice and higher. I don't know, what are the other ones called? Extra. Spicy. I don't know. I don't have Nando's, but... I've got such white boy taste buds, man. A bit of pepper and my nose starts melting a bit.
Cleans you out. Doing its job.
Yes.
Isn't it? Go through here. It's just a little bit more here.
That's gonna be good.
There you go.
Bang. Thank you so much.
Opened his heart. It's good to go now.
Open! Come at me, women!
That's it.
Cool. That's been a chest shoulder treatment with your boy, with Ninja. And open your heart in case it's not open.
Get it done.
You talk.